A resident, if you've got a relative who is a resident in a care home, how concerned are you about this? What sort of extra precautions has the care home that your relative in taken to stop the second wave? Because it sounds like we haven't learnt our lesson, or maybe we have. And who do you blame for the rise in reinfections? Again, hearing from people, who had clips of them during the news in which they're talking about this being the last weekend.
Exit the roundabout onto the slip road.
Social things and all the rest of it. No, that's not. It's not a case of you can do it now, but you can't do it tomorrow. There are new rules coming tomorrow. That doesn't mean you shouldn't be cautious now, because these things are alive and kicking, and it's spreading. So, it may be too late that you're going out and doing things. And why should you be? 0345 60 60 973 is the number to ring. Give us a ring now, you'll get through. 0345 60 60 973. Are you worried about your relative in the care home? 20 to 7.
Continue on M4 for 3 miles. In 2 miles, at junction 6, take the A355 exit to Slough Central. In a quarter of a mile, at junction 6, take the A355 exit to Slough Central. Exit at junction 6.
To make sure that residents are safe. Sounds like an obvious question, but all the
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit on 2 Tons Lane, A355.
Talk about the fires on the west coast of the United States, which are absolutely horrendous. I don't think anyone's seen anything like it for years and years, maybe ever. Speak to Jerry Edling, who is the editor for KNX News Radio in Los Angeles in California. How widespread are these fires now, Jerry? Thanks for coming on.
Thank you for having me. Actually, millions of acres have burned at this point, and more than 30 people have been killed. Dozens are missing in Oregon in what one emergency official